Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Picsart profile on phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Picsart profile on your phone, first open up your Picsart app. And after opening your Picsart app, guys, on this interface, which is the home interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your person icon or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you land over here, which is the profile page of your account. And on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the edit or the pen icon available for us. Tap on the pen icon at the top left corner of the screen and scroll down from over here where you can find the delete profile option available for us. Tap on the delete profile and you will open up this interface where you'll be required to enter your reason for deleting your Picsart profile. I'll be just tapping on order and enter your reason, whatever may it be, and guys, follow through this procedure and you'll be able to delete your Picsart account from over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete your Picsart profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.